Too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so na ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo wi asafa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH.
Ghanaians are jealous. Some Ghanaians are jealous. More Ghanaians are jealous. If you don't understand something, shut up and let's do the work of God. Do you know what it takes to do the work of God? And you'll be sitting down there saying all rubbish. Do you know what it takes to be a prophet? Or you think we take delight in this? If this thing wasn't a call, personally, I would have stopped doing this work. Personally, if this thing wasn't a call that God called me at the age of 13, 14, I would have stopped this work. But some people are not up to the level where God has placed you. They will say all sort of things about men of God. Shut up if you don't understand it. You think we take delight as young as I am? I take the every day I'm preaching. Every blessed day. From January to now, not a day that I've not preached. Not a week that I've not preached. You think I take delight? And after preaching we deliver. You think it's easy? So I deal with Baby, I'm at my level where God has, how merciful God has been to me. What again do I want? You sit down there and insult us. And you are there, look at me and look at me. I'm Prophet Nigel Gaisie. We stand for the word of God. And we stand for the true prophetism of God. May God forbid that I'll use the name of God in vain. May God forbid I'll say what the Lord has said I've not said. May God forbid. Shut up and let's do the work of God. Shut up. Shut up. Nyema papa yesu din so. Nyema papa ni din so. People are losing confidence in the prophetic because of people like you. You bastardize anything which is of the Spirit of God. Then oda po so. Oda pa apwe in ketre po no. Half na po no. You can't understand it. Yempa yesan kompo yentini na ase. Yempa yesan kom yentini na ase. If you come here, oh, wait here, or you're fake. What is the indicators of fake? Bible says by their fruits you shall know them. So examine the person by his fruits. Examine, prophet, wait here, or young basemo, or hen obey basso, uyo pro ni double some. Upo one pram you know me and son. Sanya what's your airways as sun yes, so yet here. San yet and Karadim may be and for you to do our mamma. Shut up and let's do the work of God. Shut up! Let's do the work of God. Shut up! And that demon in you must be brought low. Shut up and let's do the work of God. Shut up! Shut up! And let's do the work of God. Now, brother, we come here. We Ghana for Kasa. Sankasa said, Bibia your uncle, Bibia your uncle. When you're Jimmy for Bible said, it is a Kwasianama, or you're not able to be also a Jimmy for. Admit, we can make mistakes. Maybe a gift for Anne, but me a nipper. Nipa buying woman makes me a mistake. But that has not means a papa non frame here. That has not means a papa non sending me so. Me no kosophobia or will bet me a mistake. To say send your wash me assist out to me a mistake. Brother out to me a mistake. But Nash me nemo, Yenim Christo, Nemumo, and not don't ekasama, a vampire cabal. All kinds of correct chapter. Bible said, no, or deal for paying a Kunyamian. None why if you know I have mistake. Or doing a man was said that may have mistake because I am Majuma. So for say suwen yet, bow your say yet. So for two kind yet, bow your muya come na mukasado. A mine is slow, a G4, Yamin Sami slow mine, muya come no man gun and cosso. Muya come, small girls with their son and mountain, Mumma credit me slow. Facebook in so for be other kind of awesome. So for be the first so bet me atro and ye obi o yesu so adwuma so. Tell me, so one kasapo ade na da so ba be fight so. Ma me bia wani so hu obi en oka odi Kristo hu adanse asoro no. Obi obo Yesu Kristo din odi Kristo hu adanse ya asoro no. The oka no asamba ne ya so one kasapo ade na da no so no e be fight so. And fight so when I be fight so that ono tina mo bebre mu ntimi wo no. Ono tina mo bebre mu ntimi nya wo no. Ono tina mo bebre mu ntimi ntukwan. Ono tina mo bebre mu nsabo srade ntimi mpie no. Because mo ka suffer on so. Bible say one no wa nye masra ne go ma friend ma bono obeka ne ensese fata fa no. Ghanaians are jealous. Some Ghanaians are jealous. More Ghanaians are jealous. If you don't understand something, shut up and let's do the work of God. Do you know what it takes to do the work of God? And you'll be sitting down there saying all rubbish. Do you know what it takes to be a prophet? Or you think we take delight in that? If this thing wasn't a call, personally I would have stopped doing this work. Personally, if this thing wasn't a call that God called me at the age of 13, 14, I would have stopped this work. But some people are not up to the level where God has placed you. They will say all sort of things about men of God. Shut up if you don't understand it. You think we take delight as young as I am? I take the every day I'm preaching. Every blessed day. From January to now, not a day that I've not preached. Not a week that I've not preached. You think I take delight? And after preaching we deliver. You think it's easy? So I deal with Baby, I'm at my level where God has, how merciful God has been to me. What again do I want? You sit down there and insult us. And you are there, say, look at me, I'm Prophet Nigel Gaisie. We stand for the word of God. And we stand for the true prophetism of God. May God forbid that I'll use the name of God in vain. May God forbid I'll say what the Lord has said I've not said. May God forbid. Shut up and let's do the work of God. Shut up. Shut up. Niema papa Yesu din so. Niema papa ni din so. People are losing confidence in the prophetic because of people like you. You bastardize anything which is of the Spirit of God. Then when you in ketre po no. Half na po no. You can't understand it. Yempa yesan kompo yentini na ase. Yempa yesan kom yentini na ase. If you come in Yamiyajuma, oh, wait there, or you're fake. What is the indicators of fake? Bible says by their fruits you shall know them. So examine the person by his fruits. Examine, prophet, wait there, or young Basemo, or no Bayan Basso, uyo pro ni double some. Upo one pram you know me and son. Sanya what's your witness as Sanya so yet here. Sanya and Karadim may be and for you to do our mamma. Shut up and let's do the work of God. Shut up! Let's do the work of God. Shut up! And that demon in you must be brought low. Shut up and let's do the work of God. Shut up! Shut up! And let's do the work of God. Now, brother, she was so. We are coming in Yamiyajuma. We Ghana for Kasa. Sankasa said, Bibia your uncle, Bibia your uncle. When you're Jimmy for Bible said, it is a time to also Kwasianama. Or you're not able to be also Jimmy for. Admit, we can make mistakes. Maybe a gift for Anne, but me a nipper. Nipa buying woman makes me a mistake. But that has not means a papa no frame here. That has not means a papa no sign me so. Me no kosophobia or bet me a mistake. To say send your wash me assist out to me a mistake. Brother out to me a mistake. But nash me in them yen Christo, Namumu, Nahumo, and not drum ekasama ekasa, a vampire cabal, all kinds of character that the Bible said. No, or deal for paying a Kunyamian. None why if you know I have mistake. Or doing a man was said that man have mistake no because of a major. So for say so yet, bow your say yet. So for two kind yet, bow your when you come na casado. A man is slow, a D4, Namin Sammy slow man, when you come no man gun and cosso. When you come, smart girls with their son and mountain, mamma credit me slow. Facebook in so for be other kind of some. So for be the first obey me natural, and yet obey your shoes with muscle. Tell me, so one Casapo, at the end of that, so about the fight. So, Mamma, when so who will be an oka or dick Christo one dance here, so no. obi obo Yesu Kristo din odi Kristo ho adanse ya soro be o kan ho asembone a se wankasa po ade na da no so no ebe fight o am fight when na ebe fight o that ono tina mo bebre mu ntimi wo no ono tina mo bebre mu ntimi nya wo no ono tina mo bebre mu ntimi ntukwan ono tina mo bebre mu nsam srade ya ntimi mpie no because mo ka suffer ho so ba so hono no wa nye masra ne go ma friend ma bono obeka ne yense se fata fa no